how to adjust size in images in Divi. So I'm going to hit enable. I'm going to come down here, scroll down to this. So I can go from here, design, spacing, or sizing, and I can change the width here. On that, I can change the max width, but instead I can just come into each individual item, come to design, go to sizing, and then just increase sizing here. So 67%, click, come in design, sizing, again, just take that up to like 67%. And I can hit, depending on how much size you want, you click save, and then it should be comparable to other ones in here. Maybe I want this a little bigger, sizing, right? I can also force full width there. That's a little better on this. Design, alignment, force full width as well. So that already looks way better. So again, force full width on this one. That didn't seem to adjust anything. But yeah, you can also, if you upload, when you upload an image, you should have the image only be the image itself. You shouldn't have this huge background around it. So this is where screenshots are helpful. Take a screenshot or save it or crop it so the image is only the bottle and only supplement. Because if you're saving the image where it's the entire background like this, that's going to make them not as visible and clear. See how this image is huge? There's so much wasted space on the side. So when you save it, make sure you crop it or screenshot it so it's a much smaller. And so then when you add that image in here, it doesn't take up so much room. But again, you can do full width here, come in here, advanced, sizing, full width. So already way better. And then of course hit save. That's how you adjust an image size. A lot is when you first upload it and make adjustments to it. The thing is, you also want to always adjust in here this Adipo lean. So alt text Adipo lean supplement, pure encapsulations. I think I spelled that wrong. Okay, so that should have the alt text. The title should be that too. And then update that image. So then it has a proper SEO too for those images. And that's how you work with images and adjust sizes and make it look more presentable on the website. But like I said, a lot of times is when you upload the image, you should crop it as much as possible because that will display better on the website. All right, thank you. And that's how you work with Divi themes and adjust images and sizing on your website.